Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we'll be presenting our group IoT mini project, which is the Smart Bike Lock. So let's get started. So the Smart Bike Lock project aims to provide a secure and convenient way for the bike's owner to secure the bike by using IoT technology. This is because traditional locks can be inconvenient and offer limited protection. Hence, this project aims to address this by incorporating several security features. So the problem with current solution is that it does not offer any extra protection against theft of them. The user also can't find their bike location easily. Lastly, the user sometimes has trouble unlocking their bike as they forget to bring their key with them. So this is our smart bike lock system design. It features several sensors such as fingerprint sensor, motion sensor and others which are connected to a microcontroller. The system can also be accessed by an companion app through the user's smartphone.
So for the first objective that we want to develop a smart bike lock that can be detect for any suspicious movement. So for the second one, to develop an application where the user can use to monitor. And the last one is to provide an easier unlocking process by implementing biometric. So for the first significant, we want to enhance security by providing real-time monitoring and alerts. For the second one is we want to increase convenience, which is by use fingerprints and GPS. So the last one is we want to environmentally friendly, which is by encourage people to use bikes.